videotaping again because, dang, it started back up again. It's like going as hard as it was from the start, man. And that wind is something else. I'm freezing again because I'm drenched and, whew. Now the wind's blowing again. I think I'm gonna have ice growing on my back. Oh, 2 muscle cars in a row. It's like, jeez. I can't believe it's raining this hard for this freaking long. And right when it seems like it's gonna die down, it's just like, here I go again. Oh, my hair's wet. Put that out. I think I'm running out of space on my phone. Probably. Maybe. Look at that. Crazy. Yeah, I think I'm running out of space on my phone. That's nuts. Like I said, I'll have to put in the comments how long this thing lasts because I'm not going to be able to film the entire thing. Especially if it waits for an hour. Because my phone's not going to like me for very much. Phone's like, stop it. Stop it. I'm not meant to be a recorder. I'm not meant to be a camcorder. It's not my purpose in life. Should be, though. Should be. It has the capacity to do such. It should be designed for this. Man. Okay, I'll be putting how long this lasts in the comments. Look at this. It actually, whoa, look at that. It totally flooded over there. Look at that. That's not, all of that is not mud. That is water. That is how flooded all of that is. That is all water, man. It's right next to that house. Hope they're not getting flooded. Talk about a terrible experience. And look at all that water. That is craziness. Oh yeah, there's a person from that house. Oh no, they're gonna have to go. Oh. What are they doing? Come on. Are they gonna play in the mud? My goodness. Come on in, the water's fine. I hope they don't think I'm filming them. That would be awkward. It's like, that person's over there filming us. What are they doing? Something wrong with them. Like, come on, let's go play in the water. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, really? Wow. If it wasn't so conspicuous here on the corner, I would be filming both of them. I'm conspicuous. I think they saw me. There's 2 people over there. That whole place is, that whole thing right there is flooded. The open field. And they're both going out there. Into the, all the water. And it's muddy. They're like teenagers. If it wasn't so conspicuous, I'd be there. If I'm conspicuous, I stand out. This is just too good. I'm gonna go out here because there's not a lot of... I'm a horrible person. Can't even see nothing. Oh, there they are. They're going through the mud. Okay, it's getting crazy out here. I'm good. And back underneath the shelter. Now they're out in the open. Wow. They walked out there through all of that water. That's hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. They walked through all of that water. All of that. And it's not just water, it's mud. Yeah. Yeah, I could do that. Let me do that. Yeah. It's like, hey, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Yeah, I know. You're just gonna get one extreme reaction or the other. They're just gonna be like, awesome! Or they're gonna be like, we're just gonna come over there and kill you! Good luck with that! Go through all the mud! The problem is they know where you live! It's like, that's the problem, is they know where you live. That's the issue, is they know where you live. What? I'm not putting out no... It looks like most of them are out. It looks like a lot of them are out. I'm sorry, I won't be putting nothing out. I'm gonna be like, that's nice. I think they saw me. At least the one did. Every time I look over there, they're looking over here. What? Nope, they're gone. Yeah, they ran. That was quality content, though. Quality content. Quality content. Water's freezing, man. This video's been going for 7 minutes. Alright, I have my quality content, I'm good. Video's at 7 minutes and counting. This is crazy. That means it's lasted for about good 25 minutes. If not longer. Which is very highly unusual. May it'll rain for 3 days. Alright, I'm good. AW Fox out. Like I said, I'm going to put the link to this in the comments. 30 minutes, wow. So far 30 minutes. I'll see if it lasts longer once I stop the video. If it starts back up again, I'll probably video again, and there you go. Wow, this is crazy. Crazy, crazy. My pant leg is going underneath my shoe again. I just know it. It doesn't look like it's too bad over there. But there, oh my god. See all that water? That is insanity. Zoom in. This is insane. Nah, if we put out trash barrels tonight, I'm gonna be like, forget that. Wow. Alright, AW Fox out.